Welcome back to Rsnow Unbox. Today, we've got an absolutely magical pair to check out. The Wizard of Oz x Nike SB Dunk Low. Let's get into it. First up, let's take a look at the Nike SB. Always kills it with details, and this one's no exception. Check out the colors, the design, and you already know this pair has a story to tell. There they are, fam. The Wizard of Oz x Nike SB Dunk Low. Just look at these. From the Emerald City-inspired greens to the ruby red accents, Nike SB paid crazy homage to the iconic movie. Now check this out. The insoles, Nike SB Snapped. They feature graphics inspired by the yellow brick road. It's like walking straight into Oz, no cap. These SB Dunks are a mix of nostalgia and straight fire for sneakerheads. Whether you're a skater, collector, or just a Wizard of Oz fan, this pair is a must-have. Alright, sneaker fam, that wraps up today's unboxing of the Wizard of Oz x Nike SB Dunk Low. The Wizard of Oz x Nike SB Dunk Low is here, and it's a must-cop for sneakerheads and collectors alike. Inspired by the magic of the classic story, these kicks combine bold design with legendary comfort, making them the perfect addition to your rotation. Head over to repsneaker.net and don't forget to use my exclusive code Rsnow at checkout to score a sweet 15% off your order. These sneakers are flying off the shelves, so don't sleep on this drop. Your next pair of heat is just a click away. Grab them now and level up your sneaker game before they're gone.